nhưng mà bé sẽ cái trộn slaw này đang một trộn này. This is a curry tree. We have a small bush that a friend gave to me. Shout out to my friend Rexa. Thank you for the curry tree. It's very useful. I put it to use. Kalau orang yang bahan yang biasa ketrop, dah ketrop. Cool. That's my banana tree. Yep. And that's my kaffir lime tree right there. Pretty big. We cut half already. Đam cột sợi nhóm này đam man cấp bùa lò miền đang mùi miền bị đam này miền này này mùi tiệt đào này mùi tiệt. Now another one here. So we have three kaffir lime leaf tree. They're very useful. Bài cổ chma thơ làm một chu krương. Pick some lemon to make my curry soup. Okay, I'm trying to find one that's not very too high. Let me see. Ooh, there's one here. One here that's not I can reach. Next now need some miên krương và hai tí bóng á, 2 cup krương linh là ngồi á. So this is a lemongrass paste. I have about 2 cups of lemongrass paste here. I'm making a big pot for my family. You're gonna stir fry this until all the water evaporate and that kind of dry up a little bit. Then and once you do this and you stir fry like this, it's gonna release the aroma of the krương. Okay, krương. Lemongrass paste is krương. So, and here I have 1 whole rib. You just cut it out into small pieces. Nó nâng cái tô này trong miếng trong cái này chụp một đống á, mình cắt cho tu dầu. And now I'm gonna pour this into a pot. Allow you to chop. This is a whole rib, okay? Mình trong cái này một đống á. Nè, lâu đến dương dương pha phanh nha ngồi lên cream á, hay là đặt cream dương. So you're going to stir fry this until it turn golden brown or the meat is cooked. Okay, this helps reduce the pork smell. It is called fish sauce or it's fish paste. Lâu nó đặt hốc á, hốc. Put about 2 tablespoons, 2 big scoop of hot. That hot piece of bread by it. Put 2 big scoops, okay? And the fish paste is stinky and salty, but it's the main ingredient for chu krương. Yeah, you can't have the chu krương without the hot. You can, but it won't taste as good. It won't taste original. Nó như là tra krương tấu, tra chuối á, ở cream á. And next is a fish sauce. About 20 shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 shake. Nóទឹកត្រីយើងក្លុកវាប្រហែល20 ដងអញ្ចឹងណាដាក់20អីចឹងទៅយើងដាក់តាមចិត្តយើងឲ្យប្រៃល្មមណាទឹកត្រីអាហ្នឹងទឹកត្រីហើយ This is chicken powder bouillon. Okay. ហើយយើងដាក់មិញហ្នឹងដាក់ម្សៅស៊ុបណាដាក់ពីស្ព្រាបាយក៏បានដែរ 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Remember I make a big pot, okay? Ani umbrella masak pria. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, continue to stir fry this. Haiយើងឆាវាទៅឲ្យវាឈ្ងុយទៅឲ្យឆ្អិនសាច់ទៅណា Okay, you're gonna cook the rib. Okay, this is lemon juice. Okay, put in lemon juice. នេះទឹកក្រូចឆ្មាយើងអាចប្រើម្សៅកញ្ចប់នោះក៏បានដែរតែខ្ញុំប្រើក្រូចឆ្មាព្រោះខ្ញុំមានដាំក្រូចឆ្មាដែលក្រោយយត់ I use lemon juice because I have a tree in the back. You can also use the tamarind soup base mix if you want, but I've been using lemon juice. Tastes about the same. I can't tell the difference. Chukru normally it's a sour and savory soup. Okay, mà chukru nó nhân đặt của chma tới của chma ở chu chả ngay đục nghe nhưng ở nhưng phải đặt của chma ở đâu nó ngon hay mình thắt của chma và hay lo chiên mà sao soup kiên tinh pi store còn phảiแต่បងប្អូនចង់ដែរណាម្សៅស៊ុបឬមួយយើងដាក់ទឹកក្រូចឆ្មាឬមួយយើងដាក់អំពៅខ្ចីក៏បានដែរអ្វីដែលធ្វើឲ្យស្លហ្នឹងជូរជ្រះឆ្ងាញ់ See it's a big pot. It took all the space of my stove ឆ្នាំងនេះធំណាធំប្រហែលពេលមកក្រានខ្ញុំហ្នឹង I have to stand on the stool. Seeខ្ញុំតាឈរលើចង្មាឆាវា otherwise you know I can't reach the stove too short. Okay, so stir fry this a little bit more យើងឆាបន្តិចទៀតសិនឲ្យវាស្ងួតបន្តិចសិនណា Next we're going to put in the crunchy eggplant or Thai eggplant ឥឡូវនេះយើងដាក់ទ្រាប់សូយ in here I have about 3 cups. Put it behind 3 cups, and then you know you want to cut them into 4 sections, okay, like these 4. Okay, so you're gonna put that in. Yep, you're gonna just mix it a little bit. You go with the dough. Okay, now this is the curry leaf that I picked earlier. You want to clean it and you want to pick it like the leaf. And then this is about 1 cup. នេះទឹកត្រួតមកខ្ញុំបេះមិញហ្នឹងណាប្រហែលនេះគឺខាប់ហើយយើងដាក់ចូលទៅណាចូលទៅត្រួត Give it a nice mix. Okay. So you know. Hey, you want your heat to be high. យើងដាក់ភ្លើងឲ្យដៅណាឲ្យខ្លាំងណាឲ្យសាច់ខ្ញុំហាស់ឆ្អិនណា Okay. ដាក់ហើយចឹងហើយកូរវាទៅឥឡូវដាក់តកួន So this is morning glory, okay? I cut them into about 2 inches already and they're already clean. I have two baskets of this, okay? They seem a lot, but when you cook them, they shrink down. Going in thing more but thom, you know. People pay young slow but with slow. I couldn't take the more. I love that one joy. Joel, hi, that Joel. So I'm gonna add this in. Joel. Okay, you're gonna kind of toss it. Okay, so you mix this for about maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Bây giờ đã lại hay dân cô bà hai mà ti pin tiền á ở sắp tí ta có mấy lại lùi về thì lâu chặt tất cho nó dân chặt tất oil linh lại á. Okay, you want to pour the water to cover all the ingredients. Dân chặt về linh lại. Not put the whole thing. So there's like 4 liters of water in here. 4 liters of water. Okay. The big pot I'm cooking right now. All right, this is after the water. Now we're gonna cover this. Chặt tất cả những cục về phu con á, về phu hay, lòi lên chả đây. Okay, nó sẽ lo những hai nè. So the soup have come to a boil. Just want to mix it a little bit before we mix it, and then we're gonna taste it. If it needs any other ingredients. I dùng fruit nè, fruit mớ ta lo nó là mồm nào. Okay, let's see. Taste it. I don't think the soup needs anything else, so I'm good. I'm gonna turn on my stove now. Lo nhầm fruit với hai krương được trâu cay thì hỏng lo nhầm bật đấy, anh ấy lo gì. Time to eat. Lỡ con hào cùng nhặt bài sách. Okay, it's a soup. We're eating lunch right now. How is it, Juliana? Good. Good. Almost finished it up. Yeah, I know. Almost finished up too, huh? And just came downstairs. How's the soup?
Very good.
Very good.
Sour. A lot of ingredients in there.
Yeah, a lot of ingredients. Yep. How's the soup?
Good.
Good. This time I use lemon juice. Lần này nhưng mà phảiទឹកក្រូចឆ្មាឆ្ងាញ់ដូចគ្នា Okay, that's it. មកជួគ្រឿង If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Comment, thumbs up, share and subscribe. បើបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តវីដេអូនេះកុំភ្លេចឲ្យមេដៃមួយ ហើយបើមានសំណួរអីដាក់ចូល comment មកតម្លាក់ comment មកហើយឲ្យ share ហើយ subscribe អូខេអរគុណច្រើនចាំជួបគ្នានៅលើក្រោយទៀត